How many times has your rear view been compromised by passengers in your back seat or your new television box? Or you just can't see outside of your vehicle? How many times have you had to take a guess of what's in your blind spot areas while driving? We understand the struggles of constantly turning to watch your cargo and the challenges of lining up your trailer. We're here to make your driving experience safer and seamless. The Brandmotion FullVUE Rear Camera Mirror is a versatile new safety and convenience aid that replaces your current rearview mirror with a high-definition video screen. It improves on your traditional mirror by providing a wider, less obstructed, and increased field of view behind your vehicle. And by wider, we're taking a lot wider, 170 degrees. That's 3 times your traditional view. The included 1080p HD front and rear camera is providing the image to the mirror, so you'll see much more than ever before, including a clear view of your blind spots. It's amazing how much peace of mind this provides as you go down the road knowing exactly who's behind you and where. That's not all. Another great benefit is the ability to scroll the image up or down with a swipe of your finger. This is extremely helpful for pickup truck drivers to keep a close eye on the cargo and to help line up your trailer if and when you tow. The mirror also has a built-in front camera with DVR to provide all the benefits of a dash cam, yet cleanly integrated to your vehicle. There's also an easy way to switch between your mirror and camera when you want your traditional view back. Add this feature-packed mirror to your vehicle and you'll enjoy many amazing benefits that add increased confidence to your driving experience. See what you've never seen before. For more information and to find a dealer near you, please visit brandmotion.com.